Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials and powering up the Magnifica. Fill the water tank to the fill line and insert it securely. Once done, plug into a grounded outlet and flip the main switch. You then press the power button and follow the quick prompts to set language and clock. This ensures menus read correctly. Make sure the drip tray and bean hopper are in place before moving on, because the machine won't begin brewing without those safety positions secured. Once the machine is powered and primed, run the rinse cycle to purge air and prime the pump. You'll hear the water flow and see steam. This is normal. Next, load beans and select a medium grind setting, finer grinds for espresso, coarser for milder coffee. Adjust strength and cup volume from the control panel, take a short test shot and tweak grind or strength until extraction looks correct. Make sure to save your preferred profile so settings persist. You're ready to brew. Place a cup, select your saved profile, and start extraction while watching flow rate and crema. If the shot pours too fast, make the grind finer. Too slow, make it coarser. After brewing, purge the steam wand and empty the drip tray. If the machine shows an error or won't heat, power cycle it, confirm water tank and bean hopper sensors are seated, and run a self-clean or descaling routine. That single step fixes most startup problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.